Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Many people have high blood sugar problem. If it happens on just one rare occasion, then it does no major harm. For example, taking large amount of sugar in one go can cause temporary high blood sugar, but after some time, blood sugar level will restore to normal. However, long-term high blood sugar can bring harm to our body. In order to prevent high blood sugar problem, I would like to share with you 3 types of food which can effectively improve high blood sugar problem. 1. Sweet potato leaves. Sweet potato leaves are common in Asian countries. It is extremely high in antioxidant, and some people even label it as queen of veggie and longevity food, considering its nutritional value much higher than sweet potato itself. Sweet potato leaves are extremely rich in flavonoids, myristoyl, quercetin, epigenin, and many other nutrients. These are all high-quality antioxidants which can effectively cleanse the toxins in the blood vessels, maintaining cardiovascular health. Furthermore, sweet potato leaves can also help to control blood sugar and are therefore highly recommended for people with high blood sugar. This is because the myristoyl found in the leaves can raise the activity of liver carbohydrate, metabolizing enzymes, and improve the blood sugar condition. 2. Bitter gourd. The bitter taste of the bitter gourd comes mainly from an element which have the function of lowering blood sugar, stimulate insulin secretion, reduce appetite, and delay or prevent the onset of diabetes. Bitter gourd earns the nickname of plant insulin because of the amazing functions. Eating it regularly can stimulate the insulin and raise its effective utilization, thereby adjusting and lowering the blood sugar. Besides, the fiber and pectin found in the bitter gourd can not only prevent constipation, stimulate intestinal peristalsis, but also can help to control blood sugar. Therefore, people with high blood sugar are recommended to frequently consume bitter gourd moderately. 3. Garlic. Garlic contains amino acid, enzymes, vitamins, sulphur compounds, and many other beneficial elements. Studies have shown the allicin found in garlic can assist in lowering the blood sugar and stabilize the blood sugar level. This is because the allicin can help promote the normal secretion of insulin. The allicin also has other functions such as antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, boosting body immunity, antitumor, and prevent cardiovascular disease. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe to my channel if you find my video helpful. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. I promise to give more useful tips to enhance your health and beauty. Thank you.